I'm in the process of making 4 loaves, and I almost used Doughlene all the way up. Look at how much is left. She is my base starter. I don't have any other discards of her in the fridge. This is Doughlene. This is her. I am going to put her in a new jar because if you can see, it's super crusty. She's been in there for a while. And then feed her so that I can have plenty of her for next time I bake. So I have my long spinny spatula. I have a nice wide mouth jar. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer her over. It's a little crusty on the top at least. That might be about as good as I can get. Woo! Cutting it kind of close. So now I'm just going to use my rubber band. I am just going to eyeball feed her. I'm not going to do it by grams or anything. So she is really low. She's right here. So I want to do at least 2 fingered widths to feed her. So pretty much where I put the rubber band is exactly where I want it to be. I want to give her a good feeding so that there's plenty of her in the fridge. And I am also going to do my trick of after feeding her, I'm going to let her sit on the counter and rise until she peaks. And then I'm going to stick her in the fridge. That way I can use her in a couple of days. So let's go ahead and feed her. So I'm going to just do my water to that rubber band line. Need a little bit more. Alright, my water is just under that rubber band line. I'm going to mix that up. Get all of Doughlene incorporated. Put in enough flour for her to be nice and stiff and thick. Whoop. This is why I wear an apron. Okay, so with what I just added, this is the consistency. It's still pretty runny, so I'm going to add more flour. I'll try not to make as big of a mess this time, but no promises. Whoop, yep, see? It's shooting right out the top. Okay, I'll mix that in. Again, we want this to be nice and thick. Oh yeah, this might be it. If you get to a point where you accidentally add a little too much flour and it's way too stiff, just put a little bit more water in. It's a pretty easy fix. This is going to give me a lot of Doughlene to work with before I have to feed her again. So I'm just going to scrape down the side so I can see better where my level is, where the top of the starter is. See how much stiffer? Look how stiff, look how thick that is. That's an awesome consistency. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and move that up to where the starter is. And then I'm gonna let this sit on my counter until she peaks or gets at least to pretty much the top of this jar before I stick her in the fridge. So I got my little jar cover, gonna stick that on top. And she's just gonna hang out with me while I make my 4 loaves. Look at Doughlene, she's so happy. She's full of bubbles and she's pretty much doubled. So I am gonna go ahead and stick her in the fridge, and I will try to use her within the next 2 days since she's pretty much at peak right now. I think she actually does have a little bit more room to grow, which is perfect. It gives me a little bit of time to stick her in the fridge. She'll slowly keep rising and then start to fall. Let's get her in the fridge.